What's up, everybody? What's good? Welcome back to Stacks from Scratch. It's me, your girl. Let's get right into it. I'm going to be showing you how you could create your own musical artist in any genre. Upload it. I'm going to show you how to create the artist, a song for the artist, and how to upload it on YouTube with their own individual channel. So let me just get right into it. First of all, we're gonna start out on Chat GPT. So let's say new chat here. Okay, so now what we're gonna do here is be a little descriptive with chat. I'm gonna try to keep it simple with the prompting so that you can keep up. If you want to do this right along with me, you'll be able to do this right along with me and create you an artist. I'm gonna show you an artist that I've already created, but I'm gonna show you exactly how I did that. So what you're gonna do is give chat a prompt. I'm just gonna copy and paste the prompt that I had. Look, it's got so many typos in it, but chat still did the thing for me. So let's see. I said, now let's create. I'm gonna go ahead and make some corrections. Now let's create a song. I need lyrics that resemble the song I Love Me. And see, this what made me create this because I fell in love with this song that was called I Love Me by Joy Rhodes. I heard it on a TikTok reel or Facebook reel. And I just couldn't stop listening to it. I looked it up and replayed and replayed. It stuck to my heart so quickly. I was like, let me find out who this girl is. Looked up, y'all. She is an AI artist. They fooled me good. I wanted to know her history, okay? And she has none. She's a total made up artist. But let me go ahead and show you how they did what they did. And you can do it too and create something personal for yourself or someone you love or create something to make you some money. So let's see. I say I need lyrics that resemble the song I Love Me by Joy Rhodes. I want to create fictional artists. So I need a female artist name for contemporary music or neo soul southern sound like Snow Allegra, Alex Molly, that type of flavor, or Solange, or maybe even Mariba, soft sound voice of an angel. I'm going to use Suno. Give the song some lyrics first, then create the prompt for Suno. Okay, Suno is another app that we're going to use. Okay, and then the concept is about not looking back anymore, just jumping in like the swimming pool. I'm not waiting on permission. I'm taking the lead and crushing my dreams, learning how to do it afraid and unknowingly. Ooh, 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 ooh. So that was the vibe I was going for. Okay. I wanted to feel that victorious feeling. So this is the prompt I gave. Y'all, let me show you just exactly what chat created. I want you to go ahead and create your prompt, put it in the prompt space. Original lyrics. No copyright infringement going on. The lyrics are amazing. It gave the verses, the pre-chorus, and everything we need to put into the app on Suno. So we're gonna go over to Suno, which is another app that creates the song itself, gives it a sound. Okay, it puts the audio to it, the voices to it, but we still need chat. So let's go ahead and ask chat to create a prompt that we can put into Suno to get the outcome we're looking for. So this is the prompt soon that chat created for me to put into Suno. So I just went ahead, copied and pasted it, opened another tab, y'all, and went to Suno.com. That's SUNO.com. Now, Suno does have a pricing schedule. You will have to pay if you want to continuously use it. Okay. Now, I did mine with a free version. I think you get so many points when you start, and I've used up all my points. So I don't think I can create another free song on Suno. But I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it. Now, when you get on Suno, you don't have a plan. You need to go ahead and create an account. It's worth it. It's quick and it's easy and it's free. Create the account, and they're gonna say, "What do you want to bring? What sound do you want to bring to life?" This is where you copy and paste your lyrics. Go back and get the lyrics. This is a prompt that I'm gonna add as well. But first, you're gonna add your lyrics. Also, copy the song title and leave all the I guess directions with the song, the extra text that say chorus, pre-chorus, telling you the direction of the song, the outro, the bridge. You can leave all that in there. Just say Control C for copy. Go right back to Suno and place it into the bar. Control V will paste the song just like you want. So this is where I paste the song. But Suno also asks other questions here, okay? They're going to be asking you to add a style, add a voice, add all these different elements to your song. And that's where you're going to get creative and add all the text that the prompt that chat created for you to put into Suno, okay? Once you add that, Suno is going to create your song. So I can't go back and show you exactly what I did, but I can show you from my YouTube I created. So this is the song titled Deep End. And also I told Chad to give this artist a name. Y'all be careful with that because Chad gave me a name that they have gave to 100 other people. Amari Vale. I thought it was cute and original, I thought it was something unique. And as soon as I got through creating all my cover, all my description for this title, for this name, I went to upload my video and it was about three other artists with the same name that I know are probably AI artists. So I changed the name to Amari Valentine. Let me show you how I did that. Now, once I brought the song to life in Suno, I had to sit on Canva, put on record on the upload tab in Canva. I went there and screen recorded the song because Suno do not want to let you record that song if you don't have the paid version or the pro plan. They not doing it no more. They used to let you download it for free, but what I did, I went to Canva, opened up my upload section, pulled up the screen recorder for desktop, and I recorded the song as it played for me on Suno. I took the song and brought it to Canva. And I'm gonna upload it, the video first. I uploaded the video by letting it record. Once it was done recording in my computer, I went to upload files, pulled up the video that I recorded on the screen, loaded it to Canva. I think I already passed it. However, I got it on Canva now. So I uploaded it to Canva. Here it is in videos. And this would be the video playing for me. I took it and added it to the track. Next, I went back to ChatGPT and created the cover. So what I asked Chat to do, okay, create a prompt for Canva to create a face for this artist in an image like an album cover of her sitting, looking off camera, deep thought, very beautiful black woman, neo soul fashion, high design, prompt for the image generator. I was asking them to give me a prompt to put on Canva, but Chad don't play around. It went on and created me an album cover itself. And this is what it came up with. I really liked it. I thought the girl was cute. She looks modern and hip, and I really liked it. Her skin was darker. She wasn't very, very yellow, or she didn't look too common. So she looked so beautiful. I thought the name was perfect, but I told you again, be careful with it. Anyway, I downloaded this album code, pulled it up to Canva, right along with the video, and I just added the cover right on top of the video that was playing. And this is what it came out to. Yeah. Diving in the deep end. Yes, yes, it gave it such a soulful sound. I'll let you hear this little lyric here. I stood upon the precipice of doubt, waiting for a hand to pull me out. Okay, so now you see what I did. Okay, it's so excited to me. I hope y'all get a chance to try to create your own AI musical artist. Who knows, you might be able to even sell your music on a playlist on Spotify and just putting it on YouTube. You could blow up on there. You never know. People might use it for a soundtrack in a movie. I don't know. Anything could happen. The odds are never against you when you're using AI. So we've got us an artist. Her name, I changed it to Amari Valentine. And now I'm going to show you how I went to YouTube and created her a home. So I went to YouTube, and of course, you need all you need is a email address. An email address will get you on YouTube. So I went to YouTube and I created an email address. Well, I think I used an old email account that I hadn't been using. And I created her a page under the name Omari Valentine. And right now she only has one video. And this is her page, Voices for Amari. She have 3 subscribers. Okay, Amari. But let's see how many times her video has been played. And you need to go check it out too. 68 times someone's heard this song that I have composed. Now, let me also remind you, I did have Chat write the lyrics, but guess what? When I get in Suno and I copy paste the lyrics, I jack it up. I change it around. I rewrite it. I say, rap this part, speak this part, make this I got one song that's getting ready to come out. Look, I do have a new song coming out on the album that I added a voicemail to, a message, and it's really hip, y'all. Y'all gonna enjoy that one too. But you need to go on here and check out Amari's song, Deep End. This is the official video, the official introduction of my AI artist, Amari Valentine. Who knows? She might even rap in the near future. But that's how you do it, y'all. I created her from ChatGPT, right over into Suno, right over to Canva, and uploaded that cover and added her to YouTube. So everything is working over here, y'all. Let's just keep focused on the big picture when we're dealing with AI. I know it can be very distracting and maybe even discouraging that some people are saying to us AI is a problem. But guess what? Every problem come with a solution. So we're going to use AI to our best and most highest benefit. So create you an AI artist, download her a cover, download her a song, and put your girl or your guy on YouTube. So you might even be bringing in a few more coins. Okay. So I hope they helped you today. Like the video, share, subscribe, and don't forget over here, baby, we stacking and never lacking. I'll see y'all in the next video.